Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Epson L6270 printer driver in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, go to any web browser that you like. I'm going to the Google Chrome and in search type Epson L6270 printer driver download and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the Epson. Open first link. Whatever first link is, open that link. Epson official website is open. Here we find Epson, then our printer model number or the printer model. Okay, after that scroll down and it's detect your operating system. If Windows 11 is fine, okay. If it's not fine, then click it here and go to the Windows 10 64-bit. Windows 10 64-bit is IMP, 64-bit is more IMP. Click on that and here we find go button. Click on that go button. After that, this box goes to refresh. Scroll down and go to the drivers. Click on this driver, expand or plus button. Click on this plus button, expand it. Here we find two drivers are IMP. First is the scanner driver and second is the printer driver. First I download scanner driver. And after printer driver, I go to the scanner driver, click on the download and download is started at the top. Wait for a few seconds to download to complete. Our download is completed now. Click on downloads, click on show in folder and drag this set of file to desktop. Okay, scanner part is download. Next step is go to the web browser once again. This time go to the printer driver, click on the download. Wait for a few seconds, click on I agree. Click on the download and download is started at the top. Wait for a few seconds to download to complete. Download is completed now. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop, close it. Here we find the setup file of our printer driver. This setup file is actually a zip file and we are going to unzip this zip file. First I go to my printer driver, right click on it, show more options. Click on extract files, click on OK. And here we find extracted folder. Double click on it, double click on it, double click on it. And here we find our drivers. And we are going to install these drivers. First, attach your USB cable to your PC to your printer. Attach your USB cable. And after that, go to the start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. Click on add a printer or scanner. Click on add a device. Wait for a few seconds. New option is pop up in a few seconds. Here we find new option. The printer that I want isn't listed. Add a new device manually. Click on add a new device manually. Close it. Here we find menu option. Go to the last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on next. Here we find existing port. Most IMP part in this installation. Click at here. And go to the any USB port that you find. USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, 004. Select any USB port. Click on the next. Have a disk. Browse. Go to the desktop. In a desktop, go to newly extracted folder, newly created folder. Double click on it. Double click on it. Here we find 4 files. Select any file. All file contain same driver. Select any file. Click on open. Click on OK. Here we find a printer name Epson L6270 series. It is a series printer and series printer contain many printers. Select our printer and click on the next. Give any name that you like. I give L6270 Epson L6270. Click on the next. It's installing our printer. It's take few seconds. Wait for a few seconds. Printer is properly installed now. If you want to share in a network, select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. Click on next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finish. Next is scanner driver. Install scanner driver. Go to your scanner driver, right click on it. Run as an administrator. Click on the yes. Click on the next. Accept the terms and condition. Click on the next. It's installing our printer and it's take few seconds. Wait for a few seconds. Click on finish. Next step is check our printer is properly working or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name, that means your printer is properly installed and properly working in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.